I GC News, Beba Bawumia Campaign, Hadie, latest and hot news in Ghana, Mede, Bremo, and you subscribe here, or say, over subscribe to the channel. You may say, when the subscribe button, now what barely notification, where the new video be uploaded. When the first person I was a video, I feel we are now one like video, give us a thumbs up. Now, see. Share my offer so now when you be here now who and summer also Ghana memoir it's as a hadie latest hot Ghana maybe Bremo afi yimbu here and summer abeto yepuso yinti yes report here about the yinti sansibia airport
Mahmoud Bawumia kan Kwaku Apong koma say Mahmoud Bawumia played an instrumental role in my E-levy buy. Former Minister for Information, official mouthpiece for government. And then Mahmoud Bawumia so bobe dey. Obey the appeal. Chair Mensa bonsu say, Tiasemo, was say, or Kwaku report my friend John Mama, and the man sorry paying some Nakwa sorry back. Yeah, Assemblies of God. Okay, was so Kwaku catch almost say, or really did Eddie John Mama, episode say Ghana for Nkra, or pursue ye tax any free betting, so any other papa. Wait, Kwado, if you go to the Quran, Quran Muno, a haram, so be a boy, obey betting. Okay, oh, Nemba, or the hadith omo ayibi eyenkramofo ayibi hadith prohibition of gambling in Quran and hadith what say omo no man explicit okay what say God says in surah al-mada oh you who believed wine gambling altars and diving arrows are thoughts made by Satan, therefore refrain from it so that you may be successful. 590. When you hadith, you can hadith no say adia konko amuna Muhammad won fan yam. Mahmoud Bawumia, he's an allergy. Meboa. Yeah, doctor. For you to become an allergy, no. Yeah. Yes, I koko pia mo meka don sako kambo. So he doesn't believe in the doctrine, the cardinal principles of Christianity. In the Quran, in the hadith, no say gambling, betting, haram. Meboa. And so the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say, Obobi 10% in the field. Is he aiding and abetting in Kwabena Ghana? But the question that people were also asking is, if so the campaign manager, committee chairman, yes, who is Oseche Mensa and supported betting, and then a manifesto in emotional. Omudia Shemu say, Yencha bet. You're trying consistency. Enter make sure say, Mumpe NDC manifesto, Mammy, Mumpe NPP manifesto, Afafantobu Kweda. I will collate all the three. Me collate it three amount. One have a kinkai. So where can we ha? Where can we ha? We need ya. I don't see any kinkai. I'm being honest with you. Most Ghana from parking kind. Who's a kinkai stressful? Yeah. He said me say me debt many bear one. Me ba eba meet me to be 5 hours. And this young kasa ending. To do one and pay this year. But what's wrong say? Young pay this year. So meet me the diagram or bet trade to do. Or the 2 hours who do nyada just Kwaku. And once my over Kenya say me feel say, me again say, they won't any assumption. They always have problems with people who do political punditry and they read. As I can say here, and you know, you can call for a debate. So Ebia Franco, me person NPP ni be better say, and I end this ni be better as a social commentator. Let's do the matter catch us woman. I don't know, but yes, Matisse. Maybe General over Kamakayamo. Make us a wide Janakan. They make what say. And don't trust HMS about Smokana. If you stay in glass house, you don't throw stones. Because some be so. And Mahmoud Bawumia person be president in T. And the alternate doctrine not watching. In Kramosum say, bet in the papa. But Mahmoud Bawumia so bad, who 10 people almost say the reason why 10% they buy and they say they want to scare the youth from doing betting. Yeah. Never. Yes, I know. Yeah. I'm saying Ghana for lazy. Youth no more pledgement. Never know each other. They must say we on scare or money sano mano. And only 10% to buy. To quite say we chat na me 1,000 or more 200 Ghana cedis. Bema he to make us say be me chabi. Yes, I say. Yeah. We put am work as asem. Today you are saying you are taking the 10% off. Any inconsistency. Any natural. Any propaganda. Franco Mikawe Makaboni. So Mahmoud Bawumia is running away from his cardinal doctrine and principle. Kramosum see enya betting. NPP force who saw your leader no. Manifesto ye de better wunti who jai campaign be to redeem manifesto. What say? What sign the betting ba? What's some now? What's some no? So, the chairman was also quite report to my general secretary. Now, NBC needs to report to the chief imam. Because you're also aiding and abetting illegality from an old doctrine. Nipa penny kwadu. What kasa say more people have issues with you. And I will mean papa, and I will say party, and I will go party, but Nipa penny quick. But the question that a call here on a Nipa 8 Techiman South or a Choka or Mao Mufri. Yes. The response, no, what say? I say. Oh, no, I say the response say Nipa ni bisa say Belamundi le bisa or say a Nipa 8 every during election. And but no, Dr. Bawumia no it didn't come with his statement to say bayad on pese obi be hwene nkwa because of elections and I say obi tumi a ope na Belamundi say bra asem ni see ne be si ne ono Dr. Bawumia nkasa mfa na nado so nkasa mfa ho and Bawumia be kasa ono no onya we whether say the president no akasa fa ho na so nkasa mfa ho onya dey onya we Mamu ba me o siri o se onya we se wakasa fa ho anaso onkasa mfa ho na emumu no onde de obeka ne kwajo da bia me cast me you people should not joke with it. Me say the most dangerous and critical election that we are going to this kind of elections 2024 general elections me say but date 3 time we two the most as I make a man for the day ago all the signs and indicators are showing but man for bien koso one the NDC they are not preparing to sign the peace agreement. Yeah. Almost no conditions be aba. One, the youth organizer of the NDC was say if the NPP pulls out the dagger, they are going to pull the dagger. What I say? NPP 42 so 22. Would me person me creating pictures be the chiro. Now you get NPP youth organizer. Salam Mustafa. Was say they are not going to sacrifice peace for their win. Yeah. Tiasemi bi Tio. And also Mustafa. A former security expert, a former minister at the presidency, a former minister of state, current agric minister, or I friend Boakye Agyarko. Also can say me Malik Basintali was say when iron and iron meet, it will be fire. As I make at you, it will say and some no more cano. I know them. Me imagine some person refugee. And so kwajo me imagine some person refugee. And I mean, man, say me person man no refugee. Make a sense of passport. Mini passport. Mini passport. And a miska be Kwaku take it. Say my passport come miska be Kwaku take it. Now passport no go here. O say here visa. Ask yourself. Abroad shed more 120 years. If there is war in Ghana, obey them. Say Mahmoud Bawumia ba bonche be catch say say. Nipa 8 na omuwu ye no won say Akufo Addo akasa de afa ho a. He should bow his head down in shame. Kwayo, these were Ghanaian youth. Ebi were 14 years. Ebi were 8 years. That me can't tell. Police charge sheet buy. When we official do. Ebi were 8, 5 next anno. Kwajo. This kind of election here come. Not genuine elections when you have. There should be due diligence. Right? I do not be able to be a the first 1, 2, 3 years there will be a lot of inconsistencies. What about the diaconate more 4 to 5 years? The kind of problems I will buy from this time there. You are going away from the problems. Where election we in a see 2020, then my minister percentage in about 3 or 4 occasions can to Kwabisi Ghana. 2020 the NACN. The easy HNG percentage in about 3 or 4 occasions.
Hot news all time.
Could had you? I don't know yet can you find near grow, Kwajo. My find near grow. If you see countries war I say Mukura. My name who say Nyankopon boy you. I said if you go to La Côte d'Ivoire, they have one of the biggest basilica. 2010, Ouattara and Babu, over 500 people in the Wuye. See they make a over 500 people in the Wuye. And no Mokoba. They eat, they wine and dine together. We catch also the politicians for and only in Burkina Faso. Prior to the elections, Bakubi, Nipa 14 years. In Sudan, dozens of people have to die because of elections. If you go to Comoros, people have to die because of elections. If you go to your friend is saying Egypt, people have to die because of elections. We are not above them. My problem with the Peace Council and then Christian Council for Adwuma no moye. Adwuma no moye.
You know, omodia basenka parties in inside.
And bia na gabi beba. And the man for kan kwase asem okro manjo monte. Women to sabi you. A man for kan kwase asem and the ben wo otuo ye wotuo wo se ni sa no ma no. Ento monte ya na. Our peace is under threat. Our security is under threat. Kojo, sir, me say go and watch documentaries. Sierra Leone, Liberia. You feel be long slave and short slave. Who know the crow? You buy it me go to start 2 tables. You say you business up a short slave and up a long slaves. Long slaves you be you and had your figure.
So when sana the far blow no.
Short slaves you be you had your figure. Kwasham kwanke for you to be inside be nine. But you are not about them. And we should not joke or compromise with our peace. Kwajo, I'm too passionate, too emotional. We should not joke with it too. And I've not named the above politicians, funny team, and I'll be a ya, and I never, you know, won't be a ya. Almost no whole business is so cruel. Kwajo, the whole business is so cruel.
Or more money scano.
Almost no beating the world drama. Kwajo, what by a champion, Rock City, Omu Jigwayode. Rock City, Omu Jigwayode. And young Kwana Ghanaian politicians and person mammy and what way. Musuma, Munshada may have the papa beyond so many pa. Omunshada, Omunya the papa beyond no way. Why are we joking with our peace? Kwajo, why? Why? Me say, what do you wear Kwajo? That wrong. Should I copy document enough for you to know among here? I see a bunny bisau. What a short slave and along to let us start to table so near Chow's Liberia. And quantity to need to the more. They are naive, ignorant minors. Almost no 18 or 2 say Kwajo, we should not joke with us. Me say we should not joke with our peace. We should not joke with it too. Kwajo refugee crowd be come kan da say Ghana ha to kwa unhu anu dada. Ghana ha to unhu anu dada. Na refugee na wo kwa no be come na obinya de face. You have responsible politicians who should make relevant comments. Asema mo be kanu e ya asema wo dwen won say anyansa wo. They are just beating war drums.
Ba menya the youth no so na omo bo omo nsam.
I said say no. Ghana na Jimmy for the door so che anyansa fo. Anani e Jimmy for the door so e che anyansa fo. Na wo dwen ye adwuma so bi katuo ni wo hu asem. Say ba be tutu ntokwa ba. What else we can say? We cannot sacrifice our victory for peace. And a serious statement too. Obi say if you pull the dagger, I'll pull the dagger. But that's why I cut you. Obi say if iron and iron meet, it will be fire. Obi say we are not ready to sign any peace agreement. We are not about these people. And I don't mean Nyankopon no ntumi ni sakwa the feel so. We are not about them. La Côte d'Ivoire has the biggest basilica in La Côte d'Ivoire. You couldn't pay 500
because of election.
Kwajo, go to Comoros. Right? Says you can say Bible, Egypt, any Bible. Because of elections, go and look at people who yan tanake cancer food bia yepe na menti ase na menye sei na menye sei na wadwene wo nana ho wadwene wo yere ho wadwene wo ma ho mu pesa me bisa asem Kwajo so ba we ne power na power na ba we ne no there's no peace in Ghana and it's about no opposition and there's peace in Ghana emu de he na obey
they think about their selfish interest.
I love that word obi bia wo tell me I'm looking straight into the camera so Kwajo Ghanaian politicians they think about the selfish interest first at the expense of the ordinary Ghanaian. You to be a who tell me biano. We don't go for where say who question where one person will. These politicians don't trust them. Don't trust them. Enter me trust Laurent Gbagbo. Oni Alasan Ouattara in 2010, one of the biggest enemies, nipa 500 who omo and omi enu koba. It di boom. Ene Obenze fan so di for Kasama NPP, Oscar Kasama NDC. No ma kotina be so bag. Obekolo mi ntu odidi. They play with the minds and intelligence and conscience of the ordinary Ghanaian. I want to repeat. Me imagine some refugee. Me imagine some refugee. And me mesre. About to wait the woman should not joke with this kind of election.
Electoral Commission.
Hey, Kwajo. Abawe. And you saw here extremely due diligence. Send you two political parties no. Na Ghana for na e to de yemfa de anya hwintia. Na nkani abra. Yani abra. Wo hwe nipa miensa na mo kasa ye nyina awie ya. Nipa nke se di president ya lan Kojo Kyeremanteng. Asma make to see. Wo tie nipa miensa ni nyina o. Obia ko fa so answer the questions church say mu a. Nipa nke se obedi president ya lan Kojo Kyeremanteng. Be Ghana no yemfa Ghana and Kenya sa anka 2012 abu sakara say odi president. Ko he ayi debate. O kasa wi obi abon nsem se pra papa iti amamu ase Ghana ni on fanya hwe 50 Ghana na dey asem boss ni dey amano
no dey koto aba
ya mani TV ya wie e me man nkyene ni makonyina wa wie enisani pa no he doesn't take a decision about benefiting Ghanaians. Hey, what do you mean? This kind of elections they should not joke with it. Hey, Kwaku Annan am coming personal refugee. Do you know the implications of being a refugee? Because about to indicators in there show the signals are showing clearly
this year.
Kwaku, they should not joke with this kind of elections. I'm telling you. Who they take comments? Take comments. So say me the front at the end is not question tight for man 5 years maso. And this 4% much chances are ban your boy na sanyom na weni any BCBC. I don't know some person.
But the comments no starting from
Boakye Agyapong.
Yes,
NPP for
Yen James. And I want to visit they have 1,000 or say 1 million ways
of winning the election.
To win the election.
Can't I make sure say NPP no the leadership na break it. I break it. Kwaku. And the NPP point for point moment ma catch Boakye Agyapong masa. E be asam na wo kan enya boni o. But say the wusi ka asem it will bring problems in Ghana. See, remember asam na wo kan you don't mean no harm. But people must work to it asem na. I didn't tell Kasa we be a lot of people majority have problem with what you said. That's not make a show you. So could you show you? Yes, oh Franco did happy because I'm finding my show this should be. Maybe be your comment section no. Nipa 2,000 out of 2,000 no. Be 1,199 said before Franco must be. It means that the masses are not happy with what you are saying. Nipa Marco, you've made 3 consecutive comments about this kind of elections. Our videos now who what kind of people have issues with you? So there's no person in the NPP who can call him to order. You say you didn't want to buy if you want to be and buy. Meboa. Today maintain a sunny player starting okay you cannot tell the person to calm down. It's a jack. Sabe be other than I know you. Na Sati, so or person just a member.
Okay.
And it's first just a member. That is how it is. And if you pull the dagger, we also pull the dagger. Or see if iron and iron meet a fire. So don't say castle we am. On nothing castle be NPP for. Remember before me told a king call me party. A copy my sign off. Of the security breaky. What power no?
Not just in Kojo Owusu.
What power no? Who's the security breaky? Salam Mustafa a king kwa. What pay you to organize a was of free the NPP in 1992 be was a Mustafa Salam Mustafa Haye. Was papa. Policies no there programs no there. You don't see any vibrancy in the youth sector.
Salam pa bit me na pablo anim.
And I'm not Kwaku. Empire mo. We should not joke with our peace.
Ya me do be na me jam akono. Yan hwe election prophecies kakra na aja.
I'm just saying
some for shenko.
Me sa no mano. Sa no mano. As of for one where you even have issues with them. The reason why Jesus Christ came to die for our sins and he say oba be waji yenkwa owudi yenkwa no also the 2 million man suffer for munko wiasa for nyanko cancer pa
na montwa
the primary and cardinal responsibilities of our suffer for and so much akra de manyanko pon anani that is their primary responsibilities and now we did am ha o chana we
Victor Kusibuatin spokesperson in the National Cathedral was it seen was because of Justin Kodu no say Ghana ye bra Kodu no yem tena bre ni musa o me bisa wa o tena sia wa de che say o me bisa Kodu is my godfather me jutum and the Kodu no say Ghana no man ko ye na NPP ne wa ban mo ye mo tena ban musa me bisa is this a prophecy or a this one has na wo chere wade no prophecy they say e de nyankopon yi bia chere na difo no mo kan. That's the meaning of prophecy. Now they are abusing the word prophecy. They're just abusing it. Oh, not so for a Canadian, or not so for a Canadian. Say, a palm body said your mama when it. Maybe. And so for Owusu and Pamusu in the beings and underground.
Nyankopon na nka minim kwa befa so betim na din ko.
Say o kasa chin pa mebre o. But e bia de so bad.
Nyankopon pa nka se etimi din ko nka se fe na ka je se nura. Ade wo de mfiri wo pa ma na nhwe ala yem fa ne sen. Enhwe ba mu ba mia na nhwe dwo mama na ma ala bedno mu nyani mu ase. Ade wo yi akwa se wa wo ba. No ma bisa so wo ba na se be ma.
Say you anya be ma be yo ba.
Obia nim say these two political parties ba ko na be we. These two political parties back on the way. And you see, the Crystal Council, they are just sitting there. I'm going to you. And you see, I don't know where no. Who said to me the war about Kuma? I don't even just often so you. And you see, the guy had him call. Because you main cancer too. Say, me must soften your D4. Me more baby. So then you could come, but I just get permission free the software so you can. And I
believe in him.
Thank you. Say, if I'm a politician, now me soften your D4. Na me call D4 no D4 bomb pay mama ye bibia no ka se Nyankopon yi a che ne say me na me wini abana and ma wini abana wi a the EC can do anything. I make my decide something omunyaji
because I believe in the prophecy no
just ma me catch you. Yes, prophecy is the intent, motive and purpose of God. The Nyankopon person catch and for no kasare Nyankopon do do say I want to know the Nyankopon be maka asamba ko di achi asafo for mako 10 no be Kennedy
the same country
opa mbode nam ha kusi boate de nam ha we de nam ha
so for ba ko ya kokko ya o mo se Bawumia so fe fen say
nka me ya fin dio
kusi apia
on so aka de
kusi apia on se Bawumia be wini ana azu kan so se Bawumia
awon ba bi ene nam and you see if you go to Rwanda omde ma ba no asoro no mu gu bebre wu so just we say first degree as am what asoro wu India say jimye ni dos so call Rwanda obi timi chiro bi the botching to abod them to obom pa man what nyansa ni you see ayeti kroma and obi ni mo bi so cement obi ma mi o okay so am na lotto number one twa o ma so cement and almost am ka kese do mu nya na ya za na yetro. Why should you do this? I answer only a certain kind of instability. What the pressure ba? Because obo anu no so focus ma e final. The bien wa kwajo ko beti ase. Ti masra so fofo. They should calm down. O man Nyankopon kasa. I say the voice of the people is the voice of God. Say Nyankopon kasa enu anu kwajo. Enu anu no.
Yo, for waiting and someone about beto ye so because GCB so and our no so we are subscribe ya but media say we be subscribe to such a way sunset had the latest and hot news in Ghana ya the promo after we are now like video give us a thumbs up nothing share my offer for so now when you be here now we and someone ekoso e wo Ghana memha also betimi a kire wa dwena fire and some way gina ho e wo comment boxing obeti nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.